Hello students, in this video I am explaining about binary to gray and gray to binary conversion examples. Let us consider binary to gray. Binary to gray conversion. Gray. Next, second one, gray to binary conversion. Binary conversion. So in this video I am going to explain you about how to convert the given binary number into gray number and vice versa. Vice versa is nothing but binary to gray conversion and gray to binary conversion. So with one example I will clearly explain you about binary to gray conversion. First one, binary to gray. So I am taking the binary number like this. This is the binary number I have taken, for example, and I need to convert this binary number into gray number. That means I need to convert this binary into gray. So this is my task here. So I am considering the binary number like this. So this is the given binary number in the problem. Double one. So this is the given binary number 10101011. After taking the binary number, the first step you have to identify is first identification of MSB and LSB. This last bit is called as MSB and this bit is called as LSB. That means right hand side first bit is called as LSB and left hand side, that means left hand side first bit is called as MSB. That means most significant bit and least significant bit. So after the identification of MSB, the first step is write the MSB of binary as it is in the gray code also. So this is the gray. Write the MSB as it is in gray code also. Here it is MSB is 1 and I am copying this MSB as it is in gray code. Next, for the next bit, what I have to do here is I want to add MSB to the next lower significant bit. That means I want to add these two bits. 1 plus 0. I will get this number. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next, for this digit, I want to add these two bits. That means 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Next, for this bit, I want to add these two together. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next, for this, these two bits are get added. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. For this bit, I want to add these two bits together. That is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next, for this bit, these two bits are get added. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So, for the last bit, I want to add these two bits together. That is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with carry of 1. So, this carry is neglected. That means 1 plus 1 sum is equal to 0. We have to consider only the sum here. Carry is neglected. So, this is the procedure we want to follow to convert the given binary number into gray code. So once again I am explaining the procedure clearly. Please observe. MSB of binary is replaced as it is in gray code also. This MSB is 1 and gray code MSB is also 1. For the next digits, add the adjacent bits together. That means I'm adding 1 plus 0 resulting 1. Again 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry of 1. Finally, in order to convert binary to gray, we are following the rules of binary addition. Binary addition rules. In that binary addition rules, the special case here is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 carry of 1. That means we are considering only the sum neglecting carry. That means no need to note down the carry anywhere in the problem. That means anywhere in the code. Only sum is considered. That is this last case. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 carry of 1. Here carry is neglected. Here the carry is neglected. So this is the procedure to convert binary to gray. So and the second one I am explaining is gray to binary conversion. Gray to binary conversion. So I am considering the gray number like this 10101. So this is the given gray number. So here my aim is to convert this gray number into binary number. In the previous example, here I am converting binary into gray. In this example, I am converting gray number into binary number. So let us consider the gray number here. This is the given gray number, that is 1 0 1 0 1. So similar to binary to gray conversion, here also first I want to identify the MSB bit and LSB bit. After identification of LSB and MSB bits, I want to replace MSB as it is in binary also. This is the first step, is similar to binary to gray conversion. So MSB of gray code is replaced as it is in binary also. For the next digit positions, I want to add this MSB of binary to next lower significant bit of gray code. Next lower significant digit of gray code. That means I want to add these two bits together. This 1 and 0 together. Then the resulting bit here is formed. That means 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next, for this bit, I want to add these two numbers together. That means 1 plus 1. Here also the special case 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 carry of 1. This carry bit is neglected. Next, for this bit location, I want to add these two bits together. That is 1 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. Next, for this bit location, I want to add these two bits together. That is 0 plus 1. Resulting the answer is 1. So this is the procedure you should follow to convert gray number into binary number. Once again, I am explaining the same process. MSB. Here, MSB is copied as it is in binary also. First step completed. For the next digit, I want to add MSB of binary to next lower significant digit of gray code. This is the MSB of binary and this is the next lower significant digit of gray code. I want to add these two bits together. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Again 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 carry of 1. Here carry is neglected. Again 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Next 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So this is the final answer. That means here the result is 1110001. This is the binary number for this given gray code. So this is the procedure to convert binary to gray. Thank you, ma. Thank you, students.